Hey everyone, this is Joe with SignTracker. Thanks for jumping on this video with me. I want to talk about forms in SignTracker. So once you create a job and you're inside that job, that's where you're going to find all the templates and all the forms. So first when you go to the forms, you're gonna see available templates. This is just the form bank. That's all it is. So these are just almost like a template or a copy of the form that are stored on our server. So if you use any of these templates, then it makes a copy of it, and then you can fill it out, and it's going to save it to completed forms. So if I go here, use that template for a work order. This is a commercial work order, commercial signed work order. You can fill in all your information. You can check off whatever you want to check off. We'll just put testing. Now you can fill this out on your browser. It's no problem. I'm in Chrome. But the thing is, if you submit it from here, it's not going to save the data in your job. And that is just a browser issue with Adobe Acrobat. So unfortunately, you have to download it. Now you can download this form directly to your computer. You can download it as in its original state, so nothing's filled out, and then you can fill it out on your computer, and once you're done filling it out, you hit submit. Or you can download it as the edited form. So we're going to go ahead and download this. I'm going to download it to my downloads folder. We're going to save it. And so now if I go to my computer, I'll go to my downloads folder. I'm in a Mac, and I'm going to open this this form here. Let's see which one this is, since I have all kinds of form. So there's my work order. So now I've opened this work order. You can see that it saved the information that I typed into the form. And now if I press submit, it's going to submit it. I go OK. Then I can close the form. Now on my computer, if I want to, I can go ahead and just move that to the trash. I don't have to save it on my computer. And then I can close it here as well. And then now you see I have this form in my job. And if I open it, you can see it saved all the data. So again, you can either, if you click any of these forms, open it up, you can fill it out on the browser, or you can instantly download it, fill it out on your computer, and then press submit. If you fill it out here and then press submit, sadly, it's going to delete all the data. So if you're working from home and you fill out 10 different work orders for your guys in the shop, and then you get back to the office the next day and all the work orders are blank, you are going to call me and scream. And so let's avoid that mess. So anyway, just to look at some of these forms, you have work orders for everything from commercial signs, engineering requests. So if it's a bigger project and you require an engineer's drawing, you can fill this out and it'll give all the information that you need to the engineer. There are t-shirt work orders, there are estimate revision work orders to have public utilities cleared, install work orders, service work orders. So I would say if you could take a few minutes and open each one of these, there's a little description in each of these, so that if you open it, you can see right here what this work order is for. So anyway, I think we used all these work orders for every type of situation in our shop, so I think they'll be really, really helpful to you. There's literally a change order form. So if, for example, you're mid-project and a client adds an additional sign, you can just basically cut and paste the information from the drawing here, or a brief description or whatever it is, and you can send it over to the client, with the amount for the change order approval, which I highly recommend you always get a change order approval, especially anything worth over a couple $100, because somehow clients forget that they approved that. Landlord approval letters. So if you have to get permission from a landlord to hang a banner up on a building, those are here. So the survey forms are really good. So if you're going out to the field, let's say you're going to change a cabinet face on a monument sign, again, you can, I like personally to print these up and put them on a clipboard, old school style, and then hand write in the things, the measurements and any details. And then what I would do is I would just take a picture of it on my phone while I was out in the field, and then I would attach that immediately to the job in the field, and then I would never lose my notes. But if you're on an iPad or something like that, same routine. You just have to be able to have a PDF reader on your tablet. You can download this to your tablet, fill it out, hit submit, and you can do all that in the field. There are subcontractor agreements in here. So if you hire subcontractors to do installs, if the subcontractor submitted a change order request, you can send them a contract approving change orders. This subcontractor survey sheets and install work orders. So there is a lot of different work orders and survey sheets and all kinds of project management forms in here. If you have a few minutes to just open them all, see what they all do, I think you'll find them really helpful. Anyway, those are the sign industry related forms in SignTracker. I hope they are helpful to you, and we'll see you on the next video. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we'll be posting updated videos on a regular basis. And if you have any questions or suggestions, we'd love to hear from you through our chat tool found in the app. Thanks again. Have a great day.